Hi everyone, and welcome to my third and fourth week trying to work as a bioinformatician. Last week I didn't record anything because it was my birthday and I wasn't on the mood to record, so I prefer to record today. Today is Friday, November 28th, okay? And I'm going to tell you what I have done the last week and what I did this week. Last week I started and finished a Power BI course, okay, because I saw many job offers where it was required, so I decided to do it, and it was easy and I enjoyed it actually because I love Excel. Power BI is quite similar to Excel. I liked it so much. And meanwhile, I continue with the Kaggle competition. On the last video, I told you that my laptop wasn't powerful enough to run the submission code, okay? And I lied. My laptop is powerful enough, okay? The problem was that I didn't know it, but somehow the code uses my hard drive instead of using my RAM if my RAM isn't enough to run the code. I don't know if I explained it well, but that was what happened, okay? So I realized that that was the problem and I deleted files that I didn't use, so everything worked, okay? And I could upload my first submission, okay? I also changed the model because it was a big model and I didn't want a big model actually, because I prefer to start with a small one and then going to a bigger one. That's what I did, okay? I'm going to show you the submissions that I did because I'm very happy. Okay, so these are all my submissions. The first one was 4 days ago, and as you can see, there is an evolution, okay? The last one is worse than the previous, but I decided to continue with this model, and now if you can see there, I'm training another model which is based on this one, okay? And yeah, as you can see, I started with this score and now I have this score, which is the double, more or less. And if I go to the leaderboard, I'm on this position, 276, okay? I'm very proud actually because there are 243 teams in this moment and I'm very high. I prefer to be in the top 100, but I don't know. Maybe I get it in the next days, I don't know. What I'm doing in this moment is to run the model which has the best score, and I change some things, okay? I changed the learning rate, the weight decay, and also the last layer, okay? Because in the previous model, I was using a size of 512, okay, and now I'm using the double. I'm using 1024, okay. So I changed the size of the last layer, and I'm going to see what happens, okay, if the model improves or not, okay. And I'm almost at the half of the training because I put 200 epochs and I'm almost at 100. So this will take several hours because I started the training at, I don't know, 11 more or less, and now it's 1 o'clock. So yeah, it will take 2 hours more or less. This type of video, I think it's better than the last one because the last one was very long. And I think it's better to do these recaps or something like that, because I don't know, I think the videos will be shorter, and I think it's better actually, because not every day I do things related to bioinformatics. The last week I just did 2 days or three, I can't remember, but this week I did every day. I started on Monday with the first model. Yeah, I'm doing every day something related to the Kaggle competition. Also, I didn't start with my next project because I'm focusing on this, but maybe as the model takes so long to train, I use that time to plan the next project, because I want to do another project for my CV, okay, for my resume. And yeah, I don't have anything more to say. I hope you are going well, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And yeah, I will see you in the next one. Bye.